In this video series, we're going to go over setting up a Facebook fan page. The first thing you need to do is have a Facebook account. So make sure you have an account and you've signed in. And once you do that, you can go to facebook.com/pages. That'll bring you to a page like this. Then you'll see over on the right here, Create Page. Click on that. And then here you have different categories that you can choose from for your page. We have a local business or place, company, organization, or institution, a brand or product, artist, band, or public figure, entertainment, or cause or community. Now, if you click on one of these, let's just go to this one, product or brand, you'll see in here that we have categories. So what you need to do is, depending on what you're promoting, just pick the closest category here. Now, they're different in each one, or they're potentially different. So you have some of the same categories and some different categories in each of these sections. So the first step is to figure out where you fit in these sections. Okay, so for my example, I'm just going to promote a website. So brand or product, we'll go down here to website. And then the brand or product, I'm going to call it gadgets under $10. Now next you need to agree to the Facebook page's terms. This is very important. Before you go any further, click on this and read this. Make sure that you're in compliance. Now one of the first things that you need to take note of is that you must be an authorized representative of the product, service, or person that you're promoting on a fan page. For any other purpose, you should be using Facebook groups. Okay, so let's close that. We agree. Click Get Started. This time we have some basic elements on our page. We have the wall, info, and photos. And in here we have the beginnings of our setup. First thing, add an image. So you can upload an image from your computer and put it in here. This should be something to do with the site that you're going to promote. Now you need to make sure you have the rights to this image, that you've created it or purchased it with the proper rights before you can upload the image. You'll see here that it can be maximum 4 megabytes. If you don't have an image, you can create one, or you can have someone create one for you. I'm just going to show you a quick way you can create one for free using a program called paint.net, which is also free. You just do a search on paint.net in Google, and then you can download and install it. Okay, so here's what paint.net looks like. Let's move this up a bit here. Okay, now first thing you want to do is set your image at the proper size, and what we can do is create it 540 by 180. So 540, actually it's the other way around, 180 by 540. So it's 180 wide, 540 long. Click OK. Okay, so this is the maximum size of the image that you can use. Now you can do whatever you want in here. So we'll add a layer. And then you can put text or images within this framework as long as you have rights to those images as well. You can also add text to it if you want. You just click the text tool over here. Get your font. And then you can just click inside here. And then click down here. Grab this little cross and move it there. Okay, and then once you're done that, you can add a new layer, and then you can put some more stuff on your image here. So whatever you want, you can bring in another image, you can put on some more text, but make sure you do every step on a new layer. That way, if you mess something up, you can just go and fix the one layer rather than having to discard the whole image. Okay, so there's just a quick example. Now I'm just going to save this as a JPEG file. So save, and we'll call this logo. Now you can save it as a paint.net file, PDN, and that's an editable file. So you can come in and change it later if you want. And let's save it again. We'll do a save as this time. Let's save it as a JPEG. Okay, flatten. Okay, so now we have that ready. So let's go back here and upload from our computer. So click there, click browse and find it. Okay, we got to get the right one here. So you can need the JPEG file, this one. And now it's uploading the picture. Okay, and there is our picture. Next step you can do is suggest it to your friends. So you can click that. Loads up a box with your friends in it. And then you can invite your friends from here. Okay, post a status update so you can share your latest news. Promote this page on your website and set up your mobile phone. Okay, we're going to skip all of this at the moment. Now you'll see over on the left hand side our image has shown up. In the next video we're going to start constructing our page.